What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. In this video I will be showing you guys how we caught 2,763 pips NASDaq100. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. My entry was right here, okay? Entry was right here. Joan, we sent out a signal to the group. Let me put this on the screen. Let me put this on the screen really quick. This is what we sent out to the group. I was looking for price to do the correction. Plus it's NFP Friday, alright? So I knew it was going to do something crazy. It always does. And the last couple NFPs, it bought. Alright, so this is what I want you guys to look at and pay attention to. Alright, so right here, this was yesterday. I caught this whole move right here yesterday. Alright, and then this was news. This was like London session. Alright, right here, boom, caught that. I had it marked up right here, as you can see. Entry, I had an entry right here. Boom, I think I took profit right here, faked me out. Alright, but I remember I caught this whole move, and then when news came, we got this pullback right here. So what we ended up doing was we bought, boom, and we took profit. Alright, I did not catch this sell, but I do have a higher time frame right here marked up, which is the 4 hour. So I was expecting it to come all the way back down. I don't know where my markup went because I know I had this marked up. That's how I took the trade. Alright, when this bounced right here, when this came right here, alright, I still didn't take this buy. It came back down because when I seen it, I was looking at it. Alright, on the Zoom call yesterday, I pointed this out. I said I see the reverse head and shoulders. I said what we're going to do, this trade develop. Alright, y'all, so if you remember me saying this on a Zoom call, if you're part of my group and you watching this video right now, give this video a thumbs up. Alright, give this video a thumbs up if you remember me showing you guys this reverse head and shoulders. Alright, I had this up on the Zoom call. So this is what I seen. Alright, so what we end up doing is we bought right here off the head. Alright, we bought off the head. I did not pop an entry off of the shoulder. I should have, but I didn't. I had a 4 standard. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. I had a 4 standard, a standard, and a 0.25 on this trade. Alright, down here at the bottom, and a little support right here and a little resistance. As you can see, we had a little resistance right here and a little support. I had marked it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So I knew if I need to get out the trade or not, because I did have some really big lots down here with my funding account. So what I ended up doing was letting this trade just run and hold. I even told the group this might be a swing trade that we can hold into tomorrow, and then that's what it ended up being. Alright, so I was able to, you know, see this with my own eyes, guys. I was able to see this with my own eyes. This was a perfect trade, guys. The entry gets no better than this. It's no better than this. We had no drawdown, straight into profit, and never came back down, okay? And it just took off. So, this was news this morning. We did not hop on a Zoom call. Alright, I didn't take any more new trades. I didn't want to hop on a Zoom call this morning, guys. It was just pointless at this point. But right here was news. Boom. Alright. It gave us this. At first it came down. Alright. And then it just shot all the way up. And now we're here. If you look to the left, guys, this is where price ended last week. Alright. It's 12:14. Like I say, I think all it's going to do right now is probably, you know, range around this area. And I think when range around this area, she might just come back down, like probably here. She might just range around here. She could break this. All right, this is a higher time frame resistance. But like I said, guys, right here she sold. That's how we got this movement right here. So we're gonna see what she's gonna do here. As you see now, she's hesitating. She's not really breaking. It had all this momentum, all right, all this momentum up to this area right here. Did not break. So I'm thinking, guys, you can hold this trade, you know what I'm saying, over the weekend, maybe, if she don't do nothing crazy. But I can still see her coming back up. Let me I have another markup on the daily up here, right here. This is where she potentially can go. All right, hyper entries, guys, no drawdown, you feel me? And we just able to hold these trades even with small accounts, guys. I turned $100 into $400 this week. I was gonna make a video, but you know what I'm saying, it's just like this stuff, it's normal for me. It's just like I just be wanting to make some type of content. Some people might not find that entertaining or worth making a video. 100 to 400, basically $300, but a lot of people can't even grow $100. I can throw whatever in here and just grow it. That's why, to me, it's better for you to find the perfect entry rather than you trying to scalp NAS100. If you were to try to scalp this, it can get dangerous. You get what I'm saying? It can get dangerous. All these wicks and all this, you can make some really good money scalping it too. I'm not gonna lie. Like, you could have just took this move and been okay. Okay, you could have took this move and been okay. NAS give out some really great pips. All right, so if you just caught this move right here to right here, that's 683 pips, guys. That's not bad. But at the end of the day, to me, it's like, why would I leave all of this money on the table? All right, if I know I have this marked up and I know this once was an area that it went and touched, all right, that it went and touched up here, and this is the resistance, I know that it's going to try to probably come up here and break this. And if I know it's at my support, why not risk at my support with a super duper tight stop loss? You get what I'm saying? And just let it do what it do. So I wasn't afraid, I wasn't nervous about this trade at all, because I knew the position that we took was a great position. Because look how low it was. Look at the structure of it, guys. Why wouldn't you want to buy low? All right, some people will be like, oh, well, I'm gonna wait till it break out. All right, let me show you. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing. Some people will probably mark this up right here. If it breaks out of here, then I'm gonna take the buy. Look at how many pips you giving up when you just waiting for a breakout. All right, that happened all the way up here, instead of entering off the wick. You feel me? Entering the best entry possible. So at the end of the day, I just feel like you gotta have an eye for the market. You gotta be confident. Can't be scared. You gotta have patience, guys. This is over 4 hours worth of trading. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta have patience if you want to make money in the market, or you can scalp her and with a big lot size and risk a lot for less. You know what I'm saying? Which to me, it don't make sense. But at the end of the day, it all depends on how you, like I say, you able to win with the market. So guys, that's how we did it, man. We just basically had this thing marked up to the T. NFP Friday gave us some really great pips. So if you like this type of content, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, man. I need more subscribers. I need more likes. Other than that, I'm out.